Hey, welcome back. I'm hooked up to shore power at a campsite, so I thought this would be a great time to turn on the camera. This time I don't have my wine, but next time I probably will. So go ahead and enjoy, and hopefully my instructions are clear for you. Here's my salmon, and I used the Dijon mustard recipe with my other seasonings. And then this is raw kale greens with my homemade salad dressing and cranberries. And that is just the skin. I like to fry the skin in the air fryer hard, and then that way I can eat it. So I like it like that. Yeah. This meal will last me a good 2 days or so, and it's delicious. I certainly hope that you enjoy the meals that I'm sharing with you. A lot of it is just stuff that I cook just on the fly, just whatever I have in the refrigerator or in the cabinets, and whatever I have a taste for, and I just go for it. So unfortunately, my recipes aren't like exact, but it's just what I have a taste for, and you can always set it up the way you would like. But it's just suggestions, and I'm just showing you what I actually ate. So thank you for encouraging me, and I'm so glad that I am eating healthier again, and I'm sharing it with you because it makes it much more fun and meaningful. So thanks a lot, you guys, for premiering with me on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Hang with me to a destination that is near to you. Hang with me where our journeys may be blessed and our dreams come true. Pieces.